also known as Sean, and this is my final project for the CS50 Introduction to Computer Science course, and I've made it on Unity using C# programming, and I'm currently recording from Dubai, UAE. So I'll just quickly show you all my scripts. I have a total of 10 scripts for various different functionalities. And now I'm gonna run the game. So it is a 2D action platformer. So there's a stance system. I can switch to the war and peace stance using the scroller, and I can fight these skeletons and they hit back. So the objective is trying to reach the end of the map without dying and without falling. I'm gonna let him hit me here so you can see that I do take damage when these skeletons hit me. Okay, there's some platforming here. And that's the last enemy, so I'm gonna show you what the death animation is and let him kill me. And that's it, that's how the character dies. And that was my final project for the Harvard CS50 Introduction to Computer Science course. And I hope you liked it. Thank you very much.